Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope the holidays are going really good for everyone. So guys, today I got some possible future spoilers. Now these were all showed on Joe's Instagram, so I'm about to show you quite a few products. I think there's 5 different products that should be coming in a BoxyCharm box in 2020. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified of every single spoiler I put out. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were some December BoxyCharm updates. Congratulations, Marlena Irwin. Marlena says, I'm first. Yeah, love you, babe. Why, yes, you are, my darling. I really appreciate that. I thank you so much for having your bell on, and I really appreciate the support of you. I can't thank you enough from the bottom of my heart, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, all these were found on Joe's Instagram. So he goes off. So first I'm going to show you this one where he gets PR from Pharmacy Beauty. And we know Pharmacy Beauty products are coming in 2020. He's already stated that there's a lot of pharmacy coming to us in 2020. So he shows us the Pharmacy Beauty Cheer Up Eye Cream, which this is made out of cherries or whatever, you know. About all their products are like some kind of fruit. I know they got some new banana products now and everything, and I think they're a really interesting brand. They do have a lot of brightening products, so I'm really excited about this. So I'm pretty sure this will be coming into a box soon. And also he put on here, you know, like which one would you choose? So he put up 2 palettes, and then he put up 2 skin products. So I'm going to show you what I found on these products. So here are the palettes that he put up. Now, one of them I found, and the other one I couldn't find. I don't know if it's a new palette or what, but it is by Blink Incorporated Cosmetics. Now, if you remember, we got one of those little Blink palettes in one of a BoxyCharm's boxes. It's been a while back, but it was one of those really little ones with the intense electric eyeshadow palette or whatever it is. But I really love that palette, so I'm looking forward to this one. Now, I couldn't find exactly what palette this is, but we could see it's a neutral palette. It's got 12 pans in it. But you know what? If you've already got one neutral palette, well, hell, you just want them all. So, you know, I'm really excited about this one. Now, the next one I did find, it is the Carity Come As You Are eyeshadow palette. And that's a really beautiful palette. I really do like that pop of yellow right there. And then next, these are the two skin products that he shows right here, wanting you to choose between. So the first one I found is the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. And the next thing is the, I think that's Biro Bell Pepper Face Serum. And again, all these were found on his Instagram. So again, these are most likely products coming to BoxyCharm in 2020. So get ready for them, guys. And as soon as they reveal anything else, of course, I'll keep you updated. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Amber. Is it Malinich? I probably said that wrong. I do apologize, Amber. Anyways, Amber says, hello and good morning. Well, hello and good evening now, Amber. I really appreciate that, honey. So tell me, Amber, are you ready for BoxyCharm in 2020? Because I know I sure am. And honey, I really appreciate you coming to my channel and just taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check them out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.